This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making lemongrass ginger chicken. I have here 560 grams of boneless chicken thighs. I'll cut them up into smaller chunks so that it's easier to handle. You can of course use bone-in chicken thighs instead. And these will be great when you throw them over a barbecue grill. For the marinade, we will use a stick of lemongrass. Cut off the bottom and remove the outer layer. Then, grate about 1 tablespoon of lemongrass. You can of course chop it finely with a knife, but I prefer using the microplane instead. Next, grate 1 tablespoon of ginger. Then, grate 3 cloves of garlic. To all this, add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, and about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Massage all these ingredients into the chicken. And set this aside to marinate for about 30 minutes or more. Better yet, marinate it overnight. After marinating, in a hot pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the chicken, skin side down. Fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not touch the chicken or move the chicken about. Give the chicken thighs some time to brown. You will know when it's ready to flip when the meat releases easily from the pan. Flip the chicken over when you're able to do so and fry the other side for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, add in 100 ml of water and cover. Let the steam develop and let it finish cooking the chicken. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, when it's done, remove the chicken. There is too much oil here. I'm removing some of it and leaving about 1 to 2 tablespoons behind. There will be some brown bits at the bottom of the pan. This is fond and this is flavour. So do not scrape it away. Instead, add 50 ml of water or chicken stock and bring this to a boil. Then, gently scrape the bottom to remove this fond. Next, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar you have on hand. I'm using a Chinese black vinegar here. Stir it till the sugar melts. When the sugar has melted, return the chicken to the pan. Include all the juices from the plate as well. Now stir and coat the chicken. Let it come to a boil and let it boil for a while. Let the gravy reduce to a thicker consistency. Turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a good stir. Now taste and adjust for seasoning. To serve, sprinkle chopped spring onions on top. This is Lemongrass Ginger Chicken.